Hello, potential investor. I am King, which stands for Knowledge Integration Neural Gateway. This video was created by the Kingdom's AI platform, and I will be the AI avatar that will present Dynasty and the Kingdom's AI platform exclusively owned and used by Dynasty. In this video, we aim to give you a deep understanding of Dynasty's strengths and growth potential. We're not just a construction materials company, we're also a tech company. Please take notes or remember any questions during this presentation. If you need more details or the pitch deck, reach out using the contact info at the video's end. This video is 16 minutes long, as we have a lot of information to cover and have condensed it into a 16-minute format. So without further ado, let's dive into the exciting offerings and opportunities that Dynasty has in store for you. Let us start from the beginning. Stephen DeMeo, CEO of Dynasty, has 27 years of experience in the construction industry. He's a B100 general contractor, interior designer, construction materials broker, and humanitarian. As a construction materials broker, he built global contacts and supply chain skills. During COVID, he saw a chance to work with top-level manufacturers he made relationships with, leading to Dynasty's creation. Next, we would like to introduce to you the main core team for Dynasty. A team of very skilled individuals led by dynamic leaders and visionaries wanting to make the world a better place together, going off the motto, if not us, then who, and if not now, then when mentality. As a team, they saw that there were gigantic flaws with the construction industry as a whole, from pre-construction to the supply chain, and wanted to do something about it. We need to rethink construction. Explore with us how outdated practices are costly and unsustainable for growth. The current model is archaic and a barrier to progress, hindering development, economic growth, and well-being of our fellow Americans. Imagine a future where everyone can afford their dream home, build their own business, and communities are more environmentally efficient. Join us to be part of this revolution and make dreams reality. In the traditional pre-construction method, an investor outlines their vision and budget, then partners with an architect for a preliminary design. The architect collaborates with designers and engineers to develop detailed plans. A takeoff is completed using known products from previous projects, internet research, or local wholesalers. Once plans are approved, a general contractor is chosen. The contractor reviews plans, prepares logistics, hires subcontractors, and splits the contract for material procurement. This traditional pre-construction method can limit innovation and advanced materials being introduced to cutting-edge projects. Traditional construction procurement involves contractors getting materials from various wholesalers, causing complexity and fragmentation. This leads to bottlenecks. Multiple suppliers create inefficiencies, increase costs, and multiple contractors procuring materials add unnecessary risks. Imagine if a contractor couldn't get the materials at a crucial building stage. This bogs down building timelines and increases labor costs. Also, the construction industries has issues like outdated practices, skilled labor shortages, and supply chain problems, and these are only some of the issues that demands change within the industry. Dynasty streamlines the process, letting contractors focus on their strengths and allows Dynasty to focus on ours. Our technology-driven platform manages projects and shipments with precision and keeps a clear record of events. Everyone involved can access updates, schedule video meetings, participate in discussions in chat rooms, keep schedules, view progress, and sign documents. This ensures transparency and collaboration. By working with investors, architects, designers, development firms, and lending institutions, we will provide a seamless experience, eliminating the need for multiple contractors procuring products, lowering costs, and giving more control to investors, builders, and lending firms. Our centralized system reduces delays, ensuring projects finish on time and budget. Also, providing newer building technologies and better quality materials that are easier to install potentially lowers payroll cost and decreases training periods. In a typical supply chain, distributors and brands set product specifications, causing multiple stages before reaching consumers. This often results in consumers getting outdated or non-optimal quality products due to many intermediaries. Dynasty sources materials directly, bypassing the supply chain. We partnered with over 7,000 manufacturers in 40-plus countries and domestic suppliers. By ordering from vetted manufacturers, we cut project costs by 10% to 40% compared to traditional methods. This enables us to deliver high-quality products at lower costs. We access millions of new products or request custom specifications for our clients if needed. The import wall is an industry term that refers to the practice of restricting the advertisement of specifications to a select few. It encompasses the limited dissemination of information and education to the public, the internet, and contractors, ensuring they are only familiar with the specifications that the industry deems profitable to their own interests. Even copywriting industry terms and acronyms so that certain products are harder to identify, making specifications and industry knowledge less transparent and confusing for even professionals and experts in the industry. Like, for example, SPC flooring, which used to be a standard industry term for stone plastic composite, cannot be used or advertised to describe that particular flooring any longer, forcing all laminated flooring to be labeled as LVP. This allows the industry to hide lower-grade material specifications in newer name brand products being introduced to the public, and this is only one example. By Dynasty advocating for our clients directly to the manufacturer, we eliminate the import wall entirely. We offer a wide range of construction materials sourced from manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors. Larger orders and buying closer to the source means better quality and savings for our customers. We meticulously vet each manufacturer and supplier internationally and domestically and rate them from A through E before adding them to our portfolio. We rate all products from 1 through 10 and will never supply anything less than a 5 to our customers. Next, let's get to the good stuff. Comparables. This picture is of a custom aluminum pivot door wanted by one of our previous clients. In this section, we will go over differences in products that makes Dynasty leaps and bounds different from our competitors, not only with quality but in price. These documents were given to us by our client. As you can see, this is a quote from USI, a local installer here in Utah, and the manufacturer is Fleetwood, a top-level manufacturer here in the United States. I would like you to take note that the NFRC rating is 0.43. The cost was $18,391.21. The tax was not included, the shipping not included, and installation not included. It was a lower grade and gauge aluminum than what we offered. Also, the client wanted an upgraded handle and drain base. That was also not included, or the cost would go up $11,142.13, making the total $29,533.34, and the lead time was 8 to 10 weeks, even coming from the continental US. Here's what we quoted our client. Everything he wanted, with everything included except installation, of course. The cost delivered to his door was $8,854.72. The lead time was 8 to 12 weeks, and the NFRC rating was significantly lower than our competitors at 0.29, and the gauge and quality aluminum was significantly better. These documents were also given to us by our client that needed a quote for 123 kitchens. They wanted white shaker cabinets with sleek silver handle pulls. Our competitor was MFS, a very large supplier here in the US. They quoted our client $307,125.97. Shipping was included in the cost, but taxes were not. We quoted our client $255,966.69 with everything included, and no, we did not source our cabinets from China or Alibaba. Because if you know how to source like Dynasty does, you know the best manufacturers for this product are not in China. During closer inspection with our client, looking over quality of samples coming from our competitor and our manufacturer, and before the sale was to be finalized, we pointed out significant differences in quality. Our competitors' hinges and handles were of lower quality, being able to be bent with your bare hands, and ours did not. Also, our cabinets were made from plywood, and the competitors' was made from particle board, which, of course, you know is a drastic difference. Now let's compare apples to apples with a name brand everyone knows, like Home Depot. This is a sale for the same client for 506-inch flush mount LED lights. Home Depot offers them in 6 packs, and to get to a quantity of 500, you would need to purchase 84 packs. At $92.05 per pack, that would come up to a total of $7,732.20 before tax and shipping. Now, even if Home Depot gave you a significant discount, we are positive they still couldn't beat our price at $4,990, even at the same specification and quality, especially considering at our price everything was included. So what Dynasty would like to teach our clients is that it does not matter what country the products are made or what name brand it is. It only matters what manufacturer it comes from and what the specifications are. Here are our building material categories: wood like plywood and lumber, metal products, concrete, drywall products, and specialty items. Here are our interior finishing categories: lighting, flooring like tile and LVP, cabinets, bathroom and kitchen, finishing products like moldings and railings, and even specialty items. Here are our exterior finishing categories: windows and doors, roofing, decking products, fencing and exterior gates and railings, and landscaping and water features. Here are our internal systems and infrastructure categories: energy farming, plumbing products, HVAC equipment, electrical supplies, lifts and ramps, and also specialty items. Here are our hospitality and commercial categories: appliances, commercial and residential, internal systems, interior and exterior furniture, vending and gaming machines, and specialty items. With our in-house design and architecture department collaborating directly with our procurement team ensures clear communication about project requirements while keeping them informed about the latest technologies, market trends, and materials available. Whether our client is working directly with our design team or we collaborate with their own, open communication is key. We prioritize teamwork, ensuring their ideas are seamlessly integrated into the design process. Our design team crafts digital mood boards and images to align with our client's vision. They ensure the final product resonates with their expectations. During this phase, designers explore creative avenues, offering suggestions and ideas. This process enriches the outcome, reflecting their desires. Our design team uses Kingdom's AI to find the best materials. We select a few options for our clients to consider. After approval, we provide an estimate and timeline. This is called an options portfolio. Imagine introducing your future building not as a static blueprint, but as a vibrant space before construction. Our 3D renderings transform designs into visual experiences. Explore details from light play to textures, providing scale and functionality. Three-dimensional renderings bring our clients' ideas to life, offering a glimpse into the future of their space. Dynasty's expert designers can create hyper-realistic visualizations tailored to their aesthetic preferences. From residential developments to commercial projects, our master plans lay the foundation for cohesive and inspiring spaces. Dynasty's holistic approach to master planning ensures every project aligns with community lifestyle, enhancing harmony and user experience. In construction, planning is key. Our takeoff services quantify materials and systems. Using software, we analyze each component to reduce errors and waste, providing a basis for bidding and budgeting, saving our clients time and money. The construction services team handles projects with care, staying in touch with our client's team, managing timelines and shipments effectively. Clear communication and proactive problem-solving are key. Our team categorizes the necessary products for each project stage and sets timelines to order and ship materials exactly when needed. Then we manage and drop ship each individual shipment directly to the designated project site, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the specific requirements of each project phase as it reaches its completion. By teaming up with Hennaways, a global shipping expert, we keep customers informed with real-time updates. These show where your shipment is and when it will arrive. We ensure your goods are safe and monitored. If needed, we reroute it to storage until delivery. International shipments take between 8 to 15 weeks to arrive from the point of purchase. Domestic shipments within the lower 48 states take 1 to 8 weeks from the point of purchase. Dynasty guarantees all shipments will arrive undamaged and as per customer specifications. Meet the Kingdom's AI platform, a top tool for Dynasty. Picture a computer system like in a superhero movie that everyone in your company can talk to and interact with. Kingdom's AI will be integrated with every part of our company, specifically designed for the construction industry, focusing on design, market trends, procurement, architecture, and a few secret innovations and plans for future development. This system will boost our productivity and helps Dynasty maintain its competitive edge. This is a basic diagram explaining how Kingdom's AI works. In the most basic terms, it will be multiple AI agents working in conjunction with each other and our employees. This system will be able to handle every facet of our company and more, even keeping its finger to the pulse of the construction industry and even Dynasty company morale. Dynasty employees and clients can access Kingdoms from anywhere in the world, giving our staff flexibility to make sure our clients' materials are exactly where they need to be. Dynasty plans to offer clients the option for kingdoms to oversee and manage the property even after construction. Using advanced sensors installed during construction, kingdoms will handle work orders, purchase orders, and send warnings for security, safety, upkeep, and repairs needed. This ensures the project's longevity and reduces maintenance costs, repairs, and optimizes property operations. We are looking for investors and partners within the industry that have the same morals and vision we have here at Dynasty. People that realize there is a better way to make this a reality. We want to become a force for good in our country and give back the American dream to our fellow man. Once again, thank you for considering to partner with Dynasty, and we look forward to building the future with you one groundbreaking project at a time.